Hey guys, we are in a question problem number 13, Roman to integer. This is a very simple problem but little bit tricky. Basically what we have to search, actually we have given a string which is representing the number in a Roman, and what we have to do is to convert it into integer, or we can say it in decimal form. So what the major thing is, suppose we have a string and like this, what it is in integer. If it is in Roman, I, its value is equals to 1 and its value is equals to 5. Okay, and together it is 4. First I made a map. First I created a map where I have assigned the Roman value equivalent to decimal value, and now basically I am traversing the string, and whenever I found this kind of pair, I am in search of pair where I have the first value which is less than the second value. Then what we basically do here is, first we made a result, and what we basically do is to take the second one and subtract it from first one and add it to result. That's what I'm doing here. And if this is not the case, if suppose this is the case, 6 first number is greater than the second number, then we simply doing is that simply adding the first number and continuing. Okay, in this case we are also doing I plus plus because we have done the operation with this pair, so that's why I'm doing it. And finally we are adding the result in s plus 1 else I am writing is this is a corner condition. Suppose I am in n minus 1 position. Okay, we have the last element, then we are not going to be in the inside this loop. Then what the number left, last number left, is simply going to be added in the result, and that code is very simple. Okay, let me run it, submit it. Basically I have submitted this question few seconds ago, few minutes ago, and I got accepted. That's it.